Hello students of class 10. Today I will start a new chapter for your second unit test. The name of the chapter is Natural Vegetation or Forest of India. First we will go for the introduction part. The plants that grow naturally around us without any human aid are termed as natural vegetation. So what are natural vegetation? The plants that grow naturally without any human interference. In our country, there are around 47,000 species of plants which can be classified into several types. The types of vegetation and their characteristics are as follows. So beforehand, we have to read the need for conservation of the forest. Why we should conserve need. What are the needs to conserve forest? So first, they control the temperature and bring rain. The first point for the why we need to conserve forest, very important this part for 3 marks. Why we should conserve forest? First, forest brings drop down the temperature and brings rainfall. Number 2, they prevent soil erosion. In soil erosion part done, that they prevent soil erosion. Number 3, they improve soil fertility by producing compost. So compost are naturally occurring humus, and so it may the rotten leaves, flowers, fruits get mixed up with the soil and they increase the fertility of the soil. They provide medicinal herbs. There are many medicinal herbs like chinchona, tulsi, bael, then the Sharpogandha. These are all medicinal herbs. That aloe vera. These are all medicinal herbs that helps for medical purposes. They provide habitat to the wildlife. They provide valuable timbers. They provide fodder to the cattle. So, and they maintain the ecological balance. This part is very important for 3 marks answer. Why should we conserve forest? So this part please go through properly. Why should we, how these points are very important. Any 6 points along with explanation you have to explain in your own language. Next, what are the following measures should be adopted to conserve the forest? What are the measures taken to conserve forest? Prohibition of indiscriminate deforestation. Indiscriminate deforestation or felling of the trees causes increase in carbon dioxide level in the atmosphere. You know, if we cut the trees indiscriminately, it will increase the level of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, and that is not at all good. And so if we should plant more and more trees to maintain the level of oxygen and carbon dioxide in the nature. Next, reduction in felling of premature tree. Trees should be given time to mature. They can be utilized fully if they are properly grown. So felling of premature tree must be stopped. We should stop cutting of premature trees. Next, number C, use of alternate source of energy for fuel. So in the village areas, mainly in the village and in the remote areas, fuel wood is the main source of firewood. Okay, so we should go for alternative source of energy where pressure on fuel wood must be reduced to some level. Next, prevention of forest fire. Forest should be protected from natural hazards like forest fire. The best protection against fire is a closed system lockout tower and air patrol to give earliest possible warning. So forest fire should be controlled, so we should check we should prevent, or we should look after that forest must not be get fired. Next, number E, control of diseases of forest trees, chemically or biologically. Regular inspection of the forest and spraying with insecticides are of the two ways we should stop prevention of this method. So we should control we should check pest in the forest by chemical means or biological means. Any way we should check the spread of pest or diseases in the forest. Next is the controlled grazing of cattle. We know that grazing of the cattle causes erosion of the top layer of the soil, that should be reduced. We should stop, we should check grazing of cattle. In India, villagers bring their cattle or goats into forest for grazing, and in this way what they are doing, they are degrading the top layer of the soil and thereby causes soil erosion. So this is the first part. In the next video I will continue this chapter. Thank you, class.